A powerful 8.8 magnitude earthquake has struck off the coast of Kamchatka, Russia, triggering tsunami warnings across the Pacific. The quake, one of the strongest in recent history, sent shockwaves through the region just before dawn. Russian coastal towns, including Severokursk, were evacuated after tsunami waves reached the shore. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center issued alerts for Japan, Alaska, Hawaii, and the U.S. West Coast, including California, Oregon, and Washington. In California, officials have issued a tsunami advisory. While no major flooding is expected, dangerous wave surges and strong currents could affect beaches and harbors for several hours. Residents are urged to stay away from the shoreline and follow updates from local authorities. This is a developing situation. Emergency services across the Pacific are monitoring closely as aftershocks continue to rattle the region.
The ocean is that way. Guess I gotta get on the roof. I'm on the roof.